Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I want to appreciate you being here. It is so nice to see you again. Hey, and remember, you can learn a lot about somebody just by reading their autobiography. Anyways, this is a video about winning a Firestick 4K today. We had the drawing going on a little bit longer than we anticipated. Reason being is we want to get more people involved in it. We like when people share our videos, and this is one way we get them to share, and it helps the channel grow and it helps the community grow, and that's why I thank you so much for doing that for us. You guys are great. Now about the drawing, I get emails with people go, well, how do I enter this drawing? How do I do this? How do I become part of this? Okay, what it is in a video I'm going to tell you how to enter if that video contains a drawing. So if it doesn't, I always put links in my description. All you gotta do is click those links and you can go enter those drawings now. And when I show you in future videos of go and enter this drawing, I'll put a thumbnail here, tell you about it, and if you go watch that video, it's gonna tell you how to enter. So it's real simple. It doesn't cost you anything, just a little bit of your time, and it does help out the channel when you watch the whole video itself. And that's what I appreciate so much from all you loyal visitors. Okay, so as we stated, we're going to go ahead and do a giveaway today. Remember, subscribe and hit the little bell notification, because that's going to tell you when these videos come out. And with every drawing we do, and the people who win get 48 hours to contact me. Yeah, 48 hours. How hard is that? Anyways, now if you do win, first thing you want to do is contact me on Facebook Messenger at our Facebook page, or the email I have listed in my description and in my About section. So, what do you say we go ahead and pick us a winner? Which also brings me to, we're giving this away again. This is the ZYF, the Z10 Air Mouse, okay? They didn't contact me, the winner of this prize. Why? Because they're not watching my videos. So I'm giving it away to somebody else. So if you want, and we're going to do this for the next few days, it's going to be right here. So if you go to this video, watch the video, learn what you need to do to enter, we're going to go ahead and give this away again. So we're going to go ahead and take in new entries up to another few days. So you need to go watch that video, go enter, and see if you can't win this bad boy. Because this is really freaking awesome. I mean, you're going to love this thing. And if you watch the video, you're going to see why. So I stress again to you, subscribe and hit the bell notification, just so you're notified. I don't send a whole bunch of crap to you or anything like that. It's just a notification saying I got another video coming out. Watch it or not. I would prefer you watch it all the way through, love it, and give me a thumbs up, because that always helps us. Hey everybody, I just want to remind you to go to this video here for the giveaway on the capture card. Why not? Okay, go do that and get some more stuff. I appreciate it. End of the drawings. So let's go ahead and get on with this and pick us a winner. Okay, let's go ahead and pick us a winner here. All right, I got to wear these because I can't read the small print. Okay, what we're going to go ahead and do, I've already put the address in of the video, and what we're going to go ahead and do is click on filter duplicate users, and let's go ahead and click on get YouTube comments. Okay, we got 80. Boy, that ain't a lot. You guys are making out. Okay, we're going to go ahead and click on the start. What this is going to do is going to grab us a winner. If you're ready, let's get her done. Start. Okay, looks like Connie Armstrong. And it has the voice with Google in it, so that's good. And I hope I win. Well, there you go, Connie Armstrong. You just won. Well, congratulations to Connie Armstrong. I appreciate you being here. I appreciate you watching my videos, and I appreciate you subscribing and liking them. I can't thank you enough for that. So, if you would, go ahead and contact me within 48 hours for a brand new Firestick 4K. Okay, now, remember, contact me through Facebook Messenger. You'll have the link in the description. or use my email in the description also. Hey, and I picked this one out for you. And if you would, click on that and go watch it. I think you're really going to like it. And remember to go and enter that drawing. I want to give this stuff away. But I want to give it away to the people that are watching my videos, that are watching them through, and helping me out with the thumbs up. I appreciate it. Till next time, I'll see ya.